So we've done cooking our super cereals. Here are soybeans from which one we done soy milk. So basically you can add some milk for taste it a bit better, or it can be coconut milk, basically it's optional. Also you can add some eggs there if you want to cook some eggs, seeds, whatever, basically optional as well. And for taste it even better, we'll add a little bit of coconut oil and butter. You can use the butter or both or separately. So basically it's really up to you. And you can mix it up with I don't know, with the rice or maybe with the oats, with the buckwheat, whatever. And that's it. Yeah, and we can add a little bit of honey to make it taste more sweet. That's it.